A man travels the world in search of what he needs and usually returns home to find it. And sometimes our greatest contribution may not be something we build, but instead someone we raise. This is the case with Riad Aboulteif, an architectural engineer who one day was bitten by the cooking bug and came back to his homeland to build two of Lebanon's most popular restaurants. But what is it that leads a person to become a chef? Is it a random act? Or does a certain combination of events need to happen to a person before they decide to settle down in the heat of the kitchen? Skills and techniques can be taught. Character, however, you either have it or you don't.
Basically, I come from an engineering background. I'm an architect. I used to work in Iraq, and it's a very remote job site. And to let some stress out, you cook, you know.
What made you go from cooking staff meals to even thinking about leaving your job and becoming a full-time chef?
Leaving the job was a decision I made because I realized, well, yes, cooking is something that I really love. It's food, you know, because food cannot lie to you. Food is honest, dead sharp honest. I want to try to provoke people. I mean, we started. It was the first burger ever that you could, you know, have the balls to put blueberry jam on it with cocktail bitters, you know, and then what, you know, and then we took that step and do it. If the maximum is that people will not like it, then we will do something better. It's gonna motivate us to do something new. It's like try.
Okay, so this was incredibly successful as a venture, and it's always been one of Lebanon's greatest restaurants. What made you venture out and open another restaurant? Meats and bread.
I love meat, and meat is a very delicate science. I mean, lots of techniques in order to cook also. Braising, broiling, grilling, pressure cooking, sous vide, you know. It's endless. That's the beauty of cooking. Knowing how to handle this proper cut of meat and give it to the client, and then you spin his head.
And now, chef, what do we do now?
We enjoy the last sip, and we go get shit done.
I love it.
Let's meet at Meats and Bread.
Love it, baby.
See you later, Brad.
See you there, baby. Ciao. Never content, never satisfied, Riad always tries to build and improve upon his latest achievement. But he's always remained humble. And it's this determination and passion that has propelled him to the top of the Lebanese culinary scene. You learn a lot about someone when you share a meal together. What motivates them, what inspires them, and what gives them pleasure. Personally, I think food shouldn't be taken too seriously. And like Riad,
some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Anyone who truly loves food ultimately knows that all that matters is it good? And does it give you pleasure? Because regardless of what anyone says, your body is not a temple. It's an amusement park. So please, enjoy the ride.
When I met you 4 years ago, I asked you if you were happy doing what you were doing. Are you still happy now?
Absolutely. I wouldn't trade this for anything in the world. And I don't even come to work. I come to have fun, as you saw. And then we cook. And then we do our best. And our food comes from the heart.
Like, if you weren't a chef, what else would you be?
A chef. I wouldn't be anything else. A chef. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, man.
This shit is good.
Plaza.